We all know Earth as the blue planet covered in oceans, alive with green forests. But what if I told you it wasn't always this way? Billions of years ago, our homeworld might have shimmered with a deep, vibrant purple. This is unscience fiction. It's a real scientific theory called the Purple Earth hypothesis. And it could completely change how we think about the origin of life itself. Let's travel back in time, 3 to 4 billion years into the past. The sun wasn't the bright yellow star we see today. It was dimmer, cooler, and cast a reddish glow. Earth's atmosphere was a thick, hazy mix of methane and volcanic gases with almost no oxygen. It was a hostile alien environment. And yet, in that primordial soup, microscopic life began to stir. Ancient bacteria and archaea, creatures unlike anything alive today. These primitive organisms needed a way to capture energy from their environment to survive. But plants hadn't been invented yet, so there was no chlorophyll. Instead, some of them relied on a different molecule called retinol, a key component of rhodopsin. Retinol is special. It's incredibly efficient at absorbing green and yellow light, which were the most abundant colors coming through that hazy ancient atmosphere. But what it doesn't absorb, it reflects. And the colors it reflects are red and violet, which combine to create a striking purple. So as these tiny life forms spread across the early oceans, the surface of our planet would have looked, well, violet. Just try to imagine standing on the shores of early Earth. The sky is a hazy orange-red. The sun is a dim orb, and stretching out to the horizon is a vast, shimmering purple sea. It would have looked like a world from another galaxy, glowing with strange, beautiful colors. These enormous mats of purple microbes could have dominated our planet for hundreds of millions of years. It was a true purple age of life, a time before plants, before oxygen, before the color green ever appeared on Earth. But evolution never stands still. A new player entered the scene. Another group of organisms developed a different molecule, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll works by absorbing red and blue light, the colors at the edges of the spectrum, but it reflects green light. This new system was a game changer. It was far more efficient at harnessing the sun's energy, especially as the sun grew brighter over millions of years. As these new green microbes spread, they released a waste product that would change everything: oxygen. This event, known as the Great Oxidation Event, was one of the most significant transformations in our planet's history. The purple began to fade, the sky slowly turned blue, and green became the new dominant color of life. The rise of oxygen completely re-engineered our planet's chemistry. Iron that was dissolved in the oceans literally rusted and fell to the seafloor, forming massive banded iron formations that we can still see in rocks today. The atmosphere cleared, and the stage was set for more complex oxygen-breathing life to evolve. But what happened to those ancient purple microbes? As the green world took over, they didn't just vanish. They retreated. They found refuge in the shadows of the New World in extreme environments like salt lakes, volcanic hot springs, and the dark, oxygen-poor depths of the sea. They are still with us today, living fossils carrying the genetic memory of that long-forgotten purple age. In fact, scientists are finding these purple microorganisms thriving in some of the harshest places on Earth, like hypersaline lakes, where the salt concentration is so high that almost nothing else can survive. Studying them gives us a direct window into our planet's deep past. But the Purple Earth hypothesis has done more than just rewrite our own history. It's inspired a whole new way of searching for life on other planets. Now, when astronomers point their telescopes at distant exoplanets, they aren't just looking for a pale blue dot or a green signature. They're also looking for a purple one. If a planet out there reflects a distinct violet light, it might not be a barren rock. It might just be alive, teeming with its own version of retinol-based life. Our planet has worn many colors throughout its long history, from the fiery red of its molten birth to the shimmering violet of its first life, and finally, to the familiar green and blue we cherish today. The incredible story of the Purple Earth reminds us that life is endlessly inventive. a master of adaptation, capable of thriving with whatever the cosmos provides. It's a powerful reminder that even the most familiar world can hide an extraordinary and unexpected past if we just dare to look a little closer. Thanks for joining us on this journey to Earth's secret past. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next exploration into the wonders of our universe.